So what you have here is amazing. You've done such a good job. And over here, it's like full and lush and height and depth, and then it continues and then it drops off. So something along the white fence, also because it's a lot of white, something along those lines. We'll get to that in a second. You love the crimson, right? Like the Japanese maple, the smoke bush. Let's bring that over into that other area. The other thing I think would be nice is you have a solid block of green at this time of year. You've got 4 rows of Sharon and then the panicle, the Pinky Winky that's smushed, and then another Pinky Winky that's smushed. You want to keep the Hinoki cypress and the 2 yellow spruce. Great. I think, and this is, I know this is radical, but I think, you know, the panicle hydrangea, the Pinky Winky comes out, and I would also remove 1 or 2 of the rows of Sharon and get 2 things in for the 3. All the things that I'm suggesting over here, like over there is a little different, but here I think you could do another smoke bush and a blue fir. I would do blue fir next to the spruce because for visual barrier eventually, and then the smoke bush, and then have that beautiful rose of Sharon there, the bigger one, okay, and then the smoke bush there. So you're carrying the smoke bush vibe, the crimson. I would also get rid of this Pinky Winky, and then I think you have choices. So there are the things that I suggested here. You could keep it very simple and just do another Japanese maple here, and then 1 other thing at the end, right? Like another Pinky Winky. That's the easiest thing to do here. It's just those 2 things. Get rid of that Pinky Winky, put a new one in the corner, and have the Japanese maple so it fills the space. That's the easiest. A little more complicated would be to integrate a little bit different stuff now. So you could do, the options include another blue fir or a blue fir if you don't do one over there, red osier, red twig dogwood, purple sand cherry, okay, and or another smoke bush. But and then if you didn't do the Japanese maple, but you did some or all of those, then you could also do something in the middle, like a taller tree, like a pink dogwood, pink like American dogwood that blooms early. So then, you know, you're talking about you want the blooms all the time,
right,
throughout. So these are scenarios. So that would be in the middle also.
Okay.
Somewhere here.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
You have red osier here, dogwood, hydrangea. You sort of don't, I mean, it wants to be so big. You don't have that much space for everything.
Right.
If you have a small amount of space, you have 4 panels.
Right.
Think of it as like 1 big plant per panel.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.